Hello Rockstar, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Obape Ekwajeche, and if you are looking for a means of transforming your lifestyle, this is the channel for you. Today I'm outside. I want to show you how I turned 3 empty mugs to 3 full cups of green tea from the same tea bag. Now, did you know that green tea was good for your health? It's good for the eye, it's good for the hair. You can use green tea for your hair. Green tea helps in detoxifying your body. Now I am going to show you this in this new video, and you should stay tuned and watch to the end. If this is your first time, feel free, you can leave a message below. You can just leave me a hi and I'll be glad to meet you. If you want any of the green tea, leave a message below. I'll send you a link so I get to know how you can receive this green tea. But for the meantime, in between time, if I provide you with value, you can just click on the subscription button, and when you do that, please don't forget to also click on the notification button to get notified anytime I post valuable content. My name is Obape Ekwajeche. I am a journalist and I am an entrepreneur. I've been working with this amazing manufacturing giant with 183 countries globally. Now, what this organization is asking you to do is simply stop using all the brands that you use, stop using all the products that you use our brands, and we are going to pay you for using our brands. Now, let's go straight to the video. I'll see you when we are done. So the Nutri-V Rich Green Tea is one of the series of the Nutri-V Rich products. We have the Tianjin tea, which is the Nutri-V Rich Brown Tea. We have the pink tea for slimming down, and we have the Nutri-V Rich Green Tea. Of course, is a Tianjin tea, and we are going to discuss the Tianjin tea, which is one of the products of my organization. And I'm going to show you how it is brewed, and we'll discuss some of the benefits and the content of the product. And first, you are going to brew it in 2 minutes by using boiled water, and you just dip the sachet full of nutritional values into the cup. You wait for about 2 minutes for it to brew and you can drink. Now, talking about nutritional fats, we have 16% calorie, we have 19% protein, 21% carbohydrate, 4% fat, and 2% sodium. Nutri-V Rich Green Tea is made of natural ingredients and premium green tea by scientific methods. It has ingredients such as semen pruni, semen kasai, poria cocos, semen rafani, and the green tea itself. So you can take 1 or 2 bags per day and you will be very healthy. It has 15 packs and it lasts for 24 months. Make sure you keep it at a very cool and dry place. Now, you see, unlike those teas that is in the market, this tea can be brewed as many times until the water turns white. So it's very cost effective. You buy 1 pack 15 and you can use it for a long period of time, and it has health benefits such as protecting the body cells and delays cell aging. It regulates cholesterol levels. It prevents heart diseases by inhibiting the formation of blood clots. It helps prevent several types of cancer because it prevents the growth of cancer cells and regulates sugar levels. You see, it contains caffeine, catechins, and polyphenols that help speed up the metabolism, making the body spend more energy facilitates digestion, regulates the intestines, and fight fluid retention. If you want to lose weight, this green tea is good for you. It helps also in sugar levels by treating diabetes, and it aids in cholesterol reduction as well. I have done the video on the brown tea and it's uploaded. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can check the brown tea out and you can know which of the teas you want. But with the brown tea we made 4 cups, and with this the intention was to make more than 4 cups. Now we have our 2 cups full of green tea. We are going to do the next cup of green tea, and I'm going to give you a bonus of 1 cup, which is 4 cups of green tea, and you can still use it over and over. But let me give you a bonus. You can prepare green tea hair mist by using green tea, essential oil, any oil that you want, and you can spray it on your hair for hair growth. I'm going to leave that in the comment section. So Rockstar, if I have provided you with value, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to this channel and you'll be glad you did, because you will learn how to use products with my organization and get paid for it. For the meantime, let me leave you so you enjoy your green tea. I believe I provided you with value. Now if I did, feel free subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you can also leave a message below. Come by your way some other time, but until I do that, my name again is Obapa Ekuajeche, and I am an entrepreneur and I am a journalist. Bye bye for now. See you.